Subscribe.
And today we're bringing you Minnie Bowtastic shopping basket set. This is by far the prettiest shopping basket I've seen. You get some pink pearl handles. The basket's covered with hearts. We get hearts here, hearts over here, hearts everywhere. And we even get a beautiful portrait of Minnie. Now let me just pull this out. Take the cover off. Ooh, gotta be careful. Don't want it to spill. Here's a purple cupcake. One strawberry. A loaf of bread. A green apple. One full raspberry pie. A piece of cake. One croissant. This is... oh, it's a carton of milk. And it has a picture of Minnie and Daisy on it. I must have missed it earlier. We actually get another strawberry. Here's Minnie's play knife. The handle has polka dots and Minnie's bow. Okay, let's look at the bottom portion. Here's Minnie's grocery checklist. And this... ah, we can hold some grape jam in here. It looks like we need a refill. Here's a can of Minnie's special tomato sauce. And here's a can of Minnie's special strawberry jam. Since Minnie loves wearing bows, we can make some bow tie pasta. Uh-oh, it looks like Minnie ate it all already. Now I'll cut some items in half to share with you guys. Whoever baked this is pretty good. Minnie's bow's right in the middle. Here's one of Minnie's strawberries. Cut this in half. Actually, we have 2 strawberries, so instead of sharing half, we'll both get 1 full strawberry each. I'll still cut this in half though. This looks sweet. If you look at the leaf, it's Minnie's bow. Let's share this raspberry pie. Oh, check out the heart in the middle. And the heart even has hearts. Time to cut the apple. I didn't notice this earlier, but the stem is shaped like Mickey Mouse's head. Whoops! That apple flew away. Do you guys want the bigger half or the smaller half? Even Minnie's bow's made with pink frosting. This looks pretty delicious. Check this loaf of bread out. They baked it to have Minnie's ears and Minnie's bow. I'll slice up one half for you guys. This bread is still hot. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Here's the loaf of bread, the croissant, here are the 2 strawberries, piece of cake, a full raspberry pie, 1 green apple, A purple cupcake with Minnie's ears and bow. Some grape jam. Someone still needs to fill this up. Here's a can of strawberry jam. A can of tomato sauce. 1 carton of milk. And some bow tie pasta. Whew! That's a lot of food. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you later. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.